Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to the first video in my Excel series. Now, in this quick video, we'll talk about what Excel is, why it is such a fantastic tool for organizing data. So whether you're a beginner, intermediate, advanced, or you just want to brush up your skills, you're in the right channel. And be sure to give you whatever you're looking for. So let's get right to it. Excel is a powerful spreadsheet application developed by Microsoft. It is used to organize, to analyze, and visualize data. You can use Excel for all kinds of tasks, from creating simple budgets to complex financial models, and even tracking for your small businesses, large businesses, or your projects. So we've been able to define what Excel is. Now, let's know what Excel is made up of. Excel is a collection of rows and columns. Each row is numbered and each column is lettered, creating like a grid-like page, as you can see. So you can see it looks like a grid. So Excel is made up of rows, which is like this. Can you see row 1, row 2, 3, 4, and so on. And then it is made up of columns too. Column A, B, C, D, and O. And then where they meet, like this, where the column and the row meet, is called a cell. So we can say it is filled with a grid of cells where you can input your data. Now these cells allow you to store, to calculate, to manipulate information. Now Excel's ability to perform calculations and analyze large sets of data is what makes it a powerful tool and a must have for any business owner, any organization, and even any school whatsoever. So now, how do you open Excel? You can see that I already have my Excel open, but how do you want to open your own Excel? So let's imagine that I don't have Excel open. I'm going to go to my start page, and then there's beside the start page there's like a search button here. So I'm going to go to the search and I'm going to type Excel. So once I type Excel, you can see that's brought it out, and then I'm going to click on open. So once I click on open, it's going to bring this interface out. So that is how you open your Excel. But however, if you're the kind of person like me that you're using it often, and you're going to be using it often, you might as well pin it on your taskbar. You can have the taskbar below here. So this is your taskbar. So that is how you open it. So and don't worry, we're going to explore this interface in subsequent videos that follow. So now that we have our Excel open, let's break down some basic concepts. When you open Excel, you are working in a workbook. Sorry about that. You're working in a workbook. Imagine you have a novel, right? It's a book, a big book. However, in that book, there are multiple sheets. So a workbook is a file that holds one or more sheets. For example, this Excel that we opened here, we have sheet 1, we have sheet 2, we have sheet 3, and we can keep on having more sheets as we like. Now, these tabs at the bottom, they are the worksheets. You can see sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So you can add a new sheet by clicking on the plus sign, by renaming, or even deleting the worksheet you don't need. Now, like I said, think of a worksheet as a sheet in the novel that I used as an example from earlier. You have a novel. Now, the novel has lots of sheets in there. We are reading probably sheet 1. Sometimes you call it page 1. So imagine Excel as that as well. Now, you will notice that this worksheet is made up of cells, like I said earlier, and the cells are identified as rows and columns, make up a grid of cells. So we have lots of cells in here. We have rows of cells. So if I select the cell, it is referred to as A1 because it is in column A, row 1. Pretty simple, right? Exactly. So if I select this, it is B2. If I select this, it is C2. C1. If I select this, D1, C2, C3, and so on. So that is all for this quick video. Like I said, I want to make it as short as possible. And so that is for today's video. Now you know what Excel is and how it is structured with workbooks and worksheets. In the next video, we'll take a look at the Excel ribbon where all tools you will be using are located. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.